If your mind has been busy lately, let's take 5 minutes to slow down, breathe, and reset. We'll start by taking a slow breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Slow breath in and slowly exhale as you start tapping on the side of your hand. Even though my mind has been busy, I choose to slow down. Even though I've been carrying a lot, I give myself permission to relax. Eyebrow point. My mind has been busy. Side of the eye. I've been carrying a lot. Under the eye. There's so much on my mind. Under the nose. I can feel the stress. Under the mouth. And that's okay. Collarbone. I'm giving myself permission to slow down. Under the arm. I don't have to solve everything right now. Top of the head. I can just simply be here. Back to the eyebrow point. With every breath, side of the eye, I'm feeling a little calmer. Under the eye, I'm letting go of some of the stress. Under the nose, I don't have to carry it all. Under the mouth, I choose peace. Collarbone, I choose calm. Under the arm, I trust myself to take one step at a time. Top of the head, my mind is becoming calmer. Back to the eyebrow point. I release what I can't control. Side of the eye. I choose what I can. Under the eye. Today is enough. Under the nose. This moment is enough. Under the mouth. I feel more grounded. Collarbone. I feel more relaxed. Under the arm. I carry this calm with me. Top of the head. I choose peace. Now you can stop tapping and take one more slow breath in through your nose. And gently exhale through your mouth. Notice how you feel now. Maybe your mind feels a little quieter. Maybe your body feels a little lighter. So if you like, you can stay here for the next few minutes, relax, breathe, and just enjoy the music.